Today I will start with the new lesson statics. Already I started the financial planning, but due to the short time of the short span of the videos, it is very difficult to explain each and every concept of the financial planning in detail. So when our lockdown will finish and our school will start, that time I will start with the financial planning. So due to that, I am going to start with the lesson statics. What is the meaning of statics? Statics means what? And day-to-day life where you are utilizing the statics that you have to see. Statics, I will say that the statics means branch of mathematics which deals with the collection, presentation and analysis. Collection, presentation, analysis and the interpretation of the numerical data. If any data is given, sometimes if you will write the score of the cricket match, at that time whatever you are writing the score, that one is called as the data. And if you will say that data you will collection, presentation, analysis and the interpretation of the data is called as the statics. And in static, day-to-day static is used everywhere where you are using the static that you have to see. It is used in agriculture, botany, biotechnology, chemistry, physics, sociology and the medicine. In each and every where you are utilizing the statics. And the statics we have to study the mean, median and the mode. What is the meaning of mean, what is the meaning of the median and what is the meaning of the mode, and different by different formulae you have to find out the mean, median and the mode. This mean, median and the mode are the central tendency. What is the meaning of central tendency? That also I will explain. The mean, median and the modes are the central tendency. In survey, the score have the tendency to cluster around the particular score. Means if you will collect the data at that time, some types of the score have the tendency to cluster around the particular score. That particular score is called as the mean. So again I will repeat this sentence. In survey, the score that have tendency to cluster around the particular score is called as the mean. Then what mean of the static data? What is the mean of the static data that you have to see? If data is small at that time, we will say that mean means the average. What is the meaning of average? Already we learned how you have to find out the average. Average is equal to sum of the events upon total number of events. In the same manner, if data is small, the average of the given data is called as the mean. If data is small, that time, if data is not repeating, that time you have to say that the average of given data is called as the mean. And how you have to find out the average, or how you have to find out the mean? The mean of the statistical data is equal to the sum of all the scores. Sum of all the scores upon total number of scores. Means in last year you are saying that sum of the events upon total number of events. So in symbolically you will represent this as x bar. This is called as the mean. X bar is represented by mean. Mean x bar is equal to sum of xi upon n. Sum of the scores in the data upon how many scores are there, that if you will divide by this sum, that time you will get the mean. Then I will take one example. Find the mean of the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the score. This score is given. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 score is given. Then I will write total number of score is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many elements are there in the score? 5 elements are there. At that time I will say that total number of score is equal to 5. Then what is the meaning of mean? Mean is equal to sum of scores. Sum of score means you have to do the addition of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And how many scores are there in the given data? This given data holds the 5 scores, so you have to divide it by 5. At that time, this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15, and 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So you have to say that 3 is the mean. Indirectly, you will say that if this is the score at that time, I will say that this 3 is the central tendency. 3 is at the center, and this 1, 2, 4 and 5 will cluster around this 3. Everybody understand? This is at the center, and this tendency is called as the central tendency, and remaining numbers 1, 2, 4 and 5 will do the cluster